Welcome to this quick guide where you will learn what SpaceLogic KNX Remote is and how to set it up in ETS 5 or 6. SpaceLogic KNX Remote is a subscription-based feature tailored for system integrators and smart electricians. Designed for ETS version 5 or 6 as an ETS-App and e-configure Light, Expert and Expert Student version 3.0 or higher, SpaceLogic KNX Remote allows you to securely and remotely access and configure your customers' KNX projects, as well as their Wiser for KNX or spaceLYnk controllers. To set up SpaceLogic KNX Remote in ETS, we'll guide you through each step, from updating ETS and installing the SpaceLogic KNX Remote ETS-App, to downloading the SpaceLogic KNX Remote package, creating an account or logging in, and exploring the Quick Start Guide. First, make sure you're using the latest version of ETS. If not, go ahead and update it before getting started. Once ensuring that ETS is up to date, navigate to the ETS App Store. You will be redirected to My KNX page, where you first need to log in. Search for the SpaceLogic KNX Remote ETS app, add it to the basket, and complete the free of charge purchase. You will receive an email once the purchase has been processed. Afterwards, download and install the SpaceLogic KNX Remote app, as shown on the screen. Once installed, open your project in ETS, go to the Apps tab in the ETS menu, and select SpaceLogic KNX Remote to launch it. Click on Download and install the SpaceLogic KNX Remote package. To use SpaceLogic KNX Remote, you will need a Schneider Electric Cloud Services account. This account securely links your subscriptions to you and allows customers to grant you access to their installations. If you already have a Wiser KNX app account, you can log in with the same credentials. Otherwise, create a new cloud account and sign in. After signing in, a step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the main features of SpaceLogic KNX Remote. You can revisit the tutorial anytime by clicking the Quick Start Guide button. To begin using SpaceLogic KNX Remote, you will need an active subscription. Click the Purchase Subscriptions button to get started. We'll guide you through the full process in the next video. You can find more in-depth information anytime by clicking the Help button to access the user guide. And that's it! You now know how to set up SpaceLogic KNX Remote in ETS. To continue exploring SpaceLogic KNX Remote, make sure to check out the other videos listed on the screen.